There is only one thing that's better than profit, and it is preserving your capital. Welcome back to today's episode, but before we start, hit that subscribe because this analysis is based only on math and zero emotion. Today, we will discuss the $1,000,000 question on everyone's mind. Will Nifty hit 27,000 this year end or not? So let's jump right in. The whole of 2025 and H1 of 2026, our collective portfolios have looked like a traffic signal. Trump ji bole war is over to green. और अगले ही दिन ट्रंप की मिसाइल की दुआ से रेड अगेन. This policy flip-flop creates a lot of uncertainty and FOMO, which makes us anxious. Dimag is ekdam confused. So first, let's find out the reasons why this FOMO is building up. Number one on the list is news articles. Suddenly, you will see a lot of articles saying that FIIs are now net buyers in the Indian market. Good news is that these articles are not actually wrong. But the real question is, can FIIs buying be the only reason for index to hit 27K? Let's find out other reasons for the FOMO build up. So reason number two, rows, you will find articles and YouTube forums discussing how the AI bubble is going to burst.
So 70 to 75% of AI revenues of Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, and 7% of Microsoft's annual revenue total is from OpenAI.
Continuously consuming that information feeds into your FOMO. Reason number three, wild market events. If you're a deep AI market follower, then you must not have missed a 24-year-old who ran a 45 billion hedge fund which was liquidated just a few days ago.
Today, I want to walk you through one of the craziest hedge fund stories that I've heard in years. This
Last
fund
week about this 24-year-old young man, Leopold Aschenbrenner, and his hedge fund situational awareness.
And how Korean market swings 5% every day, and the news of Japanese yen being supported by the US. इतनी news and views हैं कि you can get easily lost in it. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि कहीं आप लोगों का FOMO मेरी बातों से तो नहीं build up हो गया. Okay, अब आंसर करते हैं the real question. Will Nifty cross 27,000 or not? अब discussion थोड़ा technical होने वाला है, so sit tight and be patient please. I will try to keep it as simple as possible, but if you want a detailed report, then please type your email in comments and I will send it to you. तो चलो शुरू करें लेके प्रभु का नाम. सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि हमारे पास है क्या. I mean, what do we offer as India to FIIs for attracting their foreign investments? And number one on that list is Tax Zero Yield Hero. In June 2026, the government of India passed a landmark tax ordinance, 0% TDS and 0% LTCG on FPI GSEC, government security holdings. Before June, foreign investors were paying 20% short-term holding tax and 12.5% long-term capital tax gains. Their net yield was down to 5.5%. Compare that to the fact that आजकल 5.1% तो US में Treasury का return है. So by removing that friction, foreign capital keeps the yield of 6.9 to 7.1%, which is very attractive for them. But असली वाला twist यहाँ आता है. Because of some accounting math, a lower discount rate elevates the fair value PE ceiling of Nifty 50 to 21.77x. And that means that as of now at PE 20.9x, Nifty 50 is fair valued with a lot of promise. Number two on the list is President Donald Trump ka election performance. When Brent crude spiked past $120 a barrel during the height of US-Iran friction, India's current account deficit took a direct hit. But in an American election year, surging pump prices create massive political liability. With US domestic political costs peaking, military strikes paused, easing the war risk premium and driving Brent crude down to 83.5 per barrel. Yesterday, it was at $79 per barrel. Mathematically, every $10 drop in crude improves India's CAD by 0.32% of GDP and delivers 180 BPS of raw COGS, which is cost of goods serviced margin relief to domestic corporations. With crude stabilizing at 83.5, India's CAD shrinks to a hyper-stable 0.6% of GDP, completely stripping away the USD INR currency risk for incoming foreign allocation. But as we know, Donald Trump's decision-making is far from predictionary. Thus, this factor can work against us as well. अगर डोनाल्ड भाव का मूड खराब हो गया तो. Now let's move to reason number 3 and that is India के corporate earnings. For Q1 FY27 earnings, gross revenue grew by a massive 19.9% year on year across 761 tracked companies, but net profit only grew 6.9%. Why? Because companies were still burning through expensive inventory bought during the crude spike. जैसे मैंने previous videos में बोला है, operating leverage has 1 to 2 quarters lag. As cheaper raw materials, polymers, rubber, packaging hit corporate balance sheets through Q2 and Q3 of FY27, gross margins will expand by 160 to 240 bps. That 19.9% top-line volume growth is about to convert straight into 15.35% year-on-year net profit growth, pushing FY27 forward Nifty EPS to 1240 rupees per share. In simple words, India's domestic demand stayed robust even during US-Iran war disruption, and that is a very solid indicator of a robust economy. And now let's move to the last two criteria. But before that, quick summary. Our core question is, will Nifty hit 27K this year end? And so far we have discussed 3 reasons. Number 1, yes, FII inflow is expected to increase. Number 2, yes, as oil price is expected to fall. And number 3 is yes, as corporate earnings are going to increase. Now let's talk about reason number 4 and 5. Reason number 4 is global rotation out of AI stocks, and reason number 5 is domestic SIP book. Okay, so let me explain. आपने वो वाला जोक तो सुना ही होगा, इंडिया के नाम में भी AI नहीं है, and that's why हमें AI के उल्टे ट्रेड का प्रॉफिट होगा. So because investors will look to unwind from over-concentrated US mega-cap AI tech trades into emerging markets. India stands as a primary beneficiary. A simple 1% global asset reallocation towards emerging markets will translate to a net of $8.5 billion equity inflow into India. And even if foreign funds take longer than expected to rotate, हम लोग है ना, retail investors are dropping 23,500 crores every single month through SIPs. That domestic liquidity bid absorbs roughly 85% of historical foreign equity sell-offs, selling a structural downside floor around the 22.500 mark. Before we summarize this video, let's do a jaldi se quick fun quiz. And if you have not yet subscribed, then do it now. Our core question was, will Nifty hit 27,000 this year? Is it a FOMO or is it a real possibility? So before I answer this question, I would like you to comment and tell me what will be your course of action. You have 2 options to choose from. Option 1, क्या आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी हैं? ट्रंप के ऊपर पूरा भरोसा है और ट्रंप जब फिर से ईरान पर वॉर स्टार्ट करेगा, then I will invest at the bottom. And option number 2 है कि आप कबीर से प्रभावित हैं. आज करे सो अब कर. Whatever your answer be, please type it in the comments below. Now let's come back to the mathematical conclusion as I had promised at the beginning of this video. Given all the reasons that I explained above, our simulation gives Nifty a 12-month median target of 27,636 and a probability of 64% that we will breach 27,000 before year ending 2026. So hope this video was helpful for all of you. और आप लोगों में से जो भी कोई है जो दूध का जला हुआ है, remember 22,500 is a very strong level. अगर निफ्टी इस लेवल के आसपास भी आ जाए तो you should invest. Great. It was lovely to simplify and explain this research to all of you. But if any of you is interested in the detailed mathematical calculations and baseline reports, please send me your email IDs in comment and I will send it back to you. So दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you for listening and thank you for tuning in. You have a great day and have a great evening. Bye bye and Ram Ram.